travel, experience, luxury. This is Round World Travels. Welcome from cloudy Gimpo, Seoul, South Korea. Today we'll be hopping on Korean Air's Boeing 737-900 on the world's busiest route from Gimpo International Airport to Jeju International Airport. The flight time will be about 50 minutes and we'll be going across the Jeju Strait. Welcome to Gimpo International Airport, where our world's busiest flight begins at. I don't understand the departure system for Gimpo International Airport due to the entrance being on the first floor and the check-in being on the second floor, and lastly the security on the third floor, which really is a headache because you need to keep heading up one floor by one in the process of getting to the gate. I am a Korean Air Morning Com member, but the normal line had no queue at all, which was totally fascinating for me, since this is the world's busiest route. I don't know why, but we got called into the Prestige desk because there was an open space for us, so that was a privilege. After checking in, I went one floor up to the security area, and for obvious reasons, I couldn't film. After passing security, I went to look at the departures board, and wow, it's just full of Jeju flights. And some going to Busan as well. But that's not the point here. I arrived at my gate 9, and it was currently boarding. Gate 9 was a bus gate, so I had to go down the stairs and into the bus. While the ground bus can be uncomfortable for many travelers, you at least get extraordinary views of the airplanes while arriving at your gate. Our beautiful Boeing 737-900 taking us to Jeju. Here is just a view of the Prestige cabin. I was in the very last row, 57D. Good thing that my seat is next to the aisle, so it has direct aisle access. Let's take a look around the seat. Here are the in-flight magazines, and there is a cup holder above for when the tray table is stowed. The tray table comes down like this and has another cup holder. Yeah, let's just close that. Sadly, there is no in-flight entertainment screens, but the legroom is pretty good of roughly 31 inches. The seat recline is an advantage for the back row since there is no one that you're bothering, and you can just simply push the circular button for the recline. By now, the crew was performing safety instructions, but I would have loved to see the K-pop boy band safety instruction instead. Sorry of the awful taxi footage. It's because I was in the aisle seat and I had to zoom into the window to get the footage. after takeoff, the crew started to serve us with some drinks. I opted for the Jeju citrus juice, which was a straight 10 out of 10. So here's the Jeju citrus juice. It's basically the same thing as orange juice, but way more tastier and way more organic. Yeah, like I said, it's a straight 10 out of 10. There were various beverages such as coffee, water, Coke, green tea, tomato, and Jeju citrus, also known as orange. After the delicious drink, I stowed away my tray table and went to the bathroom to do a loom review. I got up and headed towards the bathroom. There was these bars for anyone in need, and a diaper changing station, and a toilet sanitizing mat, holders for amenities which are not there, some tissues, soap, the sink, and the trash can. Here is the toilet. And lastly, the mirror. After I got back from the bathroom, I reclined. After a 20-minute nap, we were descending into Jeju. So for landing, I put my seat back into the upright position. As of now, we were approaching into Jeju International Airport. Overall, I think that this experience was a solid 8 out of 10 for a domestic economy flight with good in-flight drinks, seat comfort, especially the legroom, and the quick ground service. And would I recommend this flight to you guys? Yes. This flight is an efficient and a comfortable way to get to Jeju and to also experience the world's busiest route. And there it is, Korean Air's economy class on their Boeing 737-900 from Gimpo International Airport to Jeju International Airport, aka the world's busiest route.